The Acrocanthosaurus has finished her meal. Now she's drinking water. The Tyrannosaurus Rex we saw from earlier, whose wounds have healed, is deciding to attack the Acrocanthosaurus. He charges, knocking her over. The Acrocanthosaurus gets up, but immediately walks away. With the Stegosaurus fully eaten, the Tyrannosaurus will have to hunt elsewhere. He gets a drink of water, which he has not had in weeks. It may be dirty water, but for dinosaurs, it's delicious. Days have passed by. The lake on the island is getting lower and lower. Here we see the T-Rex taking a nap. An iguanodon that we saw earlier thinks the T-Rex is dead. So she goes in to get a drink, trying not to slip on the muddy clay and dirt. She is not aware that the Tyrannosaurus is getting up. This Tyrannosaurus has not eaten in a week. He knocks over the iguanodon, but the iguanodon quickly gets up and runs away. This Tyrannosaurus is not fast enough to keep up with it, so he leaves it be. He goes in to get some water. Many more days pass by. The lake we see here has almost completely dried up. The T-Rex has left this lake, and the Acrocanthosaurus we saw earlier comes back.
Ready to start up the clubhouse, please? Ready to start up?
Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, she goes in to get a drink, in which she sees she cannot. The water is also too muddy. The water's still deep, but it is way too muddy. The Acrocanthosaurus only drinks a little bit, because it's much, much too muddy for her. Meanwhile, thirsty herbivores, such as Stegosaurus, come by to get drinks also. But they also see that this water's too muddy. The Stegosaurus immediately leaves. But there's also an iguanodon nearby, the one we saw earlier. She goes in to get a drink, to also see, again, it is too muddy.